Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you these updates in this game I've recently been playing. Like, there's these guys here, and Captain Gear, and so much more. I can't even make an egg. There's also hero outfits. And voila. Oh, what? I was really hoping to get those roses, cupcakes, and cupcakes, whatever that is. Gonna buy a box. There's also stories. Here's a storybook. We have this one, Valentines event. Then we have Captain Gear. For your captain, we have this dog, black, pink, orange, and brown, white, blue, and purple. We even have this in purple, this color, red and blue and pink. Oh, I hate that color. Pink, yellow, blue, pink. This purple, white. I just noticed these were fennec foxes. Green, pink. Pink, yellow, blue, pink. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, we can't put a fringe on this dog. Oh, wow. We even have the event stories and stuff in this background here. And there's so much to do. Wow. Oh, I wish we could trade 4 of these, like this event thing here. Like the items. Wait, aren't there heroes? Yes, I have bought this character here, Beatrice. I do not know how to pronounce it with the accent mark. Now that was a showcase of all the things I know. Wait, this is the last one. Okay, there's none of that. We have these stuff. We have Rex. Rex is a character. He can cry, he can do that. Oh my gosh. We even have Lancelot here. He has 5 different faces. This one I don't see often. So we have some like these characters. I can even take a photo. Then we exit. Check out this game in the Play Store here. So this game is Dungeon Dogs and looks like this. Okay, I'll give you a few second looks so you can look it up. There you go. Download this game free today because there's a new update, Valentine's update, and you can play this game. Bye bye!